Hi there. It's finally time for another daily vlog project, this time in the 2019 edition. I'm hyped. Let's go. As you can probably see, I'm not at home right now, but instead in southern Germany, where for the last month I have been filming a commercial. This means that I'll have to backtrack a little up north tomorrow, starting at about 3 a.m. to meet my parents, with whom I'm going to bike the Rocky Mountains, aka the Great Divide mountain bike route. I will also link this daily vlog project to another one I'm having in mind right now. That's gonna be a documentary about how experiences like these change our perspectives and view on the world. So be prepared to hear a little bit about that on the vlog as well, I guess. Otherwise, yeah, flight leaves pretty early tomorrow in the morning. I'm gonna head up at 3 a.m. so I'm gonna head to bed soon and yeah, let this journey begin. I'm hyped for another daily vlog project. It's been a while. Yeah, let's go. Also, I keep doing this, let's go, the whole time. I don't know why, probably because I'm just pretty happy to do this again. Let's go. Just kidding. Alright, it's 10 minutes to 3. Let's make some breakfast. Alright, breakfast is over. Let's get to the airport. Also, it's 10 minutes to 4. And I'm pretty energetic already, so I don't know why, but that's probably a good thing. It's gonna be a long night, I think above 30 hours in total of traveling. But yeah, let's get to the airport. Airport 2 of the day, Copenhagen in Denmark. Alright, so now we gotta wait for my parents to arrive, and when they arrive, next destination will be London Heathrow. That's third for today. Alright, they should be here soon. It's a little funny how these short distance flights lost kind of their flair, because nowadays they're just kind of like a long bus ride. So you get on them, you fly for an hour, and you're there. I drove about 20 hours for the same distance. I paid like 20 bucks for the flight, and I paid like 45 bucks for the bus tour, which was like 18 hours longer. That's crazy. But yeah, I also had to pay $20 extra for this bag here, because yeah, well, the flight was so cheap, they gotta earn their money somehow, and it was a little bit too big, so yeah. Now just wait for them, lights better, and then yeah, good to go. later and we're finally in Calgary at the hotel. Also, we should have had an hour in Heathrow to get over the whole airport basically, but our flight was delayed, so we had half an hour, and that means our bags didn't arrive again. It kind of feels like last year. Let's hope it doesn't take 5 days for them to arrive. The guys at the airport said they should arrive tomorrow. Good thing we had planned it to leave on Wednesday, so we've got enough room on days here, but if they're gonna drag it out to 5 days, then we're gonna have a problem. Yeah, I'm really tired. It's been like 26, 28 hours or something since I started in Stuttgart. Something like 14 hours ago I had the really sleepy phase and then the hyped up, totally woke phase. And yeah. That means I'll see you tomorrow when we'll go shopping for some bikes. That's it for today. Bye bye.